If I was given the opportunity to create my perfect life, I wouldn't be creative enough to come up with something this awesome. Not only am I living my dream here with all these people, but I'm living something that's better than I ever could have dreamed of.
I love the community, I love the hugs, I love the high fives, I love the energy.
The vibration, the people was amazing, inspired myself a lot.
The vibe that's floating around the community, it feels like another world, feels like paradise.
In the morning comes my love. In the morning, I'll be singing to my love. In the east wind, there's a cool and calm, and the coast moves and moves.
Fucking rad here. Coming here, it's always like a big family reunion.
I'm just so happy to be out here with all my friends. It's the most important thing to me. I truly believe that we are all parts of each other, experiencing ourselves subjectively. Come out here with other people willing to engage and push themselves and get uncomfortable. It's an exchange of love I really didn't see anywhere else before I came into this community.
There's so many great people around, and we all get to experience this freedomness within ourselves and like share it and exchange our points of view in life. And I think that's one of the greatest things here, to get to see how free the people can be.
The Fruit Bowl is such a special place. So many awesome things have happened here, and it's combined with nostalgia and so many amazing friendships. I've probably come back here a couple dozen times, and every single time it just feels like I'm coming home. Yeah, I never thought the desert would become my home, but it's definitely become my home. Hey, how are you, man?
Hey, how are you?
Oh, yeah. Where have you been the last few days?
When you step back, see you sitting on the fence. Oh, for so long. But by common feelings and common sense. Oh, the seasons.
Bro, I'm so thankful for this moment right here. The fact that I don't have to live with poverty, I don't have to live with sickness, I don't have to live with fear. I'm living with love, bro, pure love, and I love everyone here. I love everything. I really
Miles of skyline, miles of Highline.
Came out here to camp and maybe to like push themselves highlining, and what they find is a community that isn't like the society around it. It's not structured on the systems that exist. The whole thing is organic, just like the festival. I think that's what people experience when they come.
Gone from all you wanna go.
So, I hope to come back next year. I probably will. And I'll see you all next year.